Here are 10 amazing Amazon affiliate websites that are making crazy money that you didn't even know existed and that you can gain inspiration from. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Abdel from the Entrepreneur Wealth channel, where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. In today's video guys, we're going to talk about the Amazon affiliate programs and the websites that are massively benefiting from it. You might not know this, but actually Amazon was one of the first websites who got started with the affiliate programs back in the 1990s. I think it was back in 1996 when they released their first affiliate program. They were actually one of the first e-commerce store, online store to launch an affiliate program back then. And ever since, a lot of people have made a lot of money thanks to Amazon, and some of them have even become millionaires thanks to Amazon. So in today's video, we're going to talk about some of those Amazon websites that are making crazy money, and hopefully you can gain some inspiration from that. You might do some of those websites yourself, or you might do something a bit different, but I'm hoping that in this video you'll get some inspiration and hopefully you can move forward and try to start making money with Amazon yourself. Before we get started with this video, guys, do not skip this video because later in this video I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can make money yourself through the Amazon affiliate program. Of those 10 websites that I'm going to talk about, there's 2 of them where they do something that you can definitely do yourself, and I'm going to cover that, so don't skip that video if you don't want to miss out on this. So the first website I wanted to talk about is this website called Wirecutter. Maybe some of you have heard about it. It is an extremely popular website. They usually post the best type kind of content, like best budgeting apps, best tech, best women's razors, best smart LED light, those type of best type kind of articles. Those articles tend to do very well because people are always looking for the best things to buy. So those kind of articles are always getting a lot of clicks and a lot of views, and a lot of their articles are basically like this. They have those best types kind of articles, or they have those review type kind of article. And this website is extremely popular. It's been around for a really long time, and if I'm not mistaken, I think they get like 350 to 360 million monthly visits, which is really insane. Well, the amount of people that are coming to this website every month. I don't know exactly how much money they're making, but they're definitely making hundreds of thousands of dollars every month, because even if a small fraction of that, you click on the affiliate link and buy their products, they are making a ton of money. And most of their products, as you might have guessed it already, are products that you can find on Amazon. This website has been sold to New York Times a while ago, obviously because of how successful it was. Can you do a website like that? Definitely, but you need to understand that they've been around for a really, really long time. They've been doing this for a really long time. They've built this website up for years now. You could definitely do something like that, but it's really one of those really long-term projects if you decide to do something similar to this. The second website I wanted to talk about is this website here called PCPartPicker.com. As the name suggests, you might already know what it is all about. It is a niche website about computer parts. Basically, they have reviews of different computer parts that you can buy. It's mostly for people who want to build their own computers. Like it's kind of big in the gaming niche. And as you can see, a lot of those products are really high-end price products. So for every sale, they would most probably make a few $100s. So for example, if you look at this product here, $3,600. There's another one here, $4,200. You can find other products in the $4,000-$5,000s. So if they're getting like maybe 5% or 10% commission, because those products tend to have high commission rates, they're most probably making like $100 to $200 commission per sale. And if you look at how many people visit this website every month, you see that they get about 6 to 7 million monthly visit, which is a huge chunk. It's not as big as Wirecutter, obviously, but it's still a huge amount of traffic that they are getting every single month. The great thing about this website is that it's a very niche down website. It's mostly about computer parts. So this is something that you could do, maybe not exactly in this niche, in something else, but this is a very interesting website that can be replicated, where you would basically just niche down on one topic and just focus on that one topic alone. The next website I'm going to talk about is actually one of my favorite on this list, and it is this website called thisiswhyimbroke.com. Maybe you've come across this website before. It's a crazy website where you find a lot of really crazy kind of products. It's very similar to Wirecutter, except that the products that you will find here are products that you would not normally see every day. Really, like for products that can be kind of funny or products that can be very intriguing. So you have this product here, Wake and Bake Smoking Coffee mug. I have no idea what this is, but it looks really cool. You have this fire light bulb. You have this book of useless information. So they have all those kind of products that you most probably never heard of, and they're really interesting when you come across them. This girl face head planter, soul dodge. So there's a bunch of different products in here, and you can easily spend like hours on this website, the amount of crazy products that you will come across. This website averages around 2 to 2.5 million monthly visits. So they are most probably not making hundreds of thousands of dollars like Wirecutter, but they're definitely making maybe $10,000 or $15,000 from this website alone, just by posting those pictures of those crazy products that you can see in here. Now, not every product in here is being sold on Amazon. If you click on some of those products, you will see that sometimes you're being sent to Etsy. As you can see, this product here is being sold on Etsy, but a lot of their products is actually on Amazon as well. So they are like an affiliate of both Etsy and Amazon, which is really interesting. The fourth one on the list is a really interesting one. It is one that I never thought you could really make money from because it is so niche down, but it's this website called headphonesaddict.com. And as you can guess, all the content on this website is basically about headphones. The 8 best bass earbuds in 2022, 10 best waterproof Bluetooth headphones, all kinds of headphones out there. And I never thought that you could niche down so much on one particular kind of product and have a whole website about it, because clearly it is working. Because if you check the amount of traffic that it is getting between 300 to 350,000 monthly visits. So they are making some money from this, maybe around 10 to 15,000 as well, maybe a bit less, but it is kind of really interesting how they've been able to niche down to one specific topic or one specific product and create so much content around it. And this is a really good example of a website that you could replicate as well, just about finding the right product or the right niche, and you could do something very similar to what they are doing here. The next website on the list is this website called lucylist.com. Basically, this is a website for new parents. As we all know, being a parent is not that easy, especially if it is your first child, because there's so many things that you won't know. And basically, the person behind this website created a whole blog where they teach people or educate people about the various things that they should know as a new parent. They have recommendations about products that you can buy for your baby, and they have tips on how to be a good parent, especially if it is your first child. So it's a really interesting website that I came across, and if we check the amount of traffic that it is getting, it's been slowing down a little bit, but they're still getting about 150 to 200,000 monthly visits, so definitely enough to make a nice income as well. The sixth website on the list is this website here called dogfoodadvisor.com, and as you can guess from the name, it's basically a website where they talk about dog foods. And as you know, the dog is a massive niche. It's worth like billions of dollars every year, and in this website they talk mostly about dog food. And I know you might be wondering, there's only a certain amount of food that you can give, but as you can see here on the left, they have so many different articles for so many different kinds of dog. Like, for example, the best large breed puppy foods, the best small breed puppy foods, best dry dog food, best wet dog foods. And they also have other kinds of articles where they will write about allergies, weight loss for dogs, budget-friendly dog foods, sensitive stomach. So clearly they are not running out of articles to write, and this website just like the other website out there, does get a decent amount of monthly visitors. As you can see, it's getting between 1.3 to around 1 million to 1.5 million monthly visit. So most probably not as much money as some of the other websites out there, but definitely they are making a decent income as well, just like the other ones. Number 7 on the list is this website called Baby Gear Lab. I'm sure you can guess from the name what it is. It's basically a website about different stuff that you can buy for your babies, like strollers and so on, car seats for your babies. And the whole website is just about different kind of things that you can buy for your babies. It's really a great idea for an Amazon site, since baby gears are usually high-end price products. So being an affiliate for those kind of products, you can earn a decent amount of commissions doing this. On average, this website gets between 200 to 300,000 monthly visit. So not bad really for such a niche down website. Again, this is a great example of how you can just niche down on one topic or one product and then create a whole website and make money from it. The next product on the list is this website called digitaltrends.com, and this is a website about digital products, techie products. Tech products usually have a high price tag, and as an affiliate they would definitely be making a nice income from this. A lot of their articles on here are about those best type kind of articles and those review types of articles, and those, as I've said earlier, those articles tend to do really well. They have a lot of articles about different kinds of product, like earbuds, speakers, computer parts, basically everything related to tech. And this website, I think, gets like 15 to 20 million or something like that. So 17, 18, 21 million monthly visit. So it is getting a huge traffic every month, and most probably making maybe like 30, 40 or even $50,000 a month, which is pretty crazy. There you go, guys. Now to the last 2 on the list. Now I really want you to pay attention to those last 2, because those last 2 that I'm going to talk about are examples that you can replicate yourself, because a lot of those sites that I showed you in this video are sites that took years and years to do. You can do that as well, but those are more like very long-term projects. But what I'm going to show you are ways that people are making money through the Amazon affiliate program, and a lot of those people just started like less than a year ago, maybe a few months ago, and it's really a good way to make money with the Amazon affiliate program, and you can definitely replicate this, and it would be a lot easier than some of those websites that I showed you. Now those 2 examples that I'm going to show you are not actually websites, they are more like social media websites that people are using, but they are making money through the Amazon affiliate program, and this is why I wanted to include them inside of that list. So number 9 on the list is this TikTok account by the name of Rachel Meters. She and her husband post different types of Amazon products that they buy. This is very similar to Wirecutter, except that instead of articles, they are basically making short videos, like 15 to 20, 25 seconds long videos. And they've amassed over 2 million followers doing this, and they've been doing this for maybe just over a year. And as you can see, a lot of their videos get thousands, some even millions of views. And their videos, as you can see, are pretty simple videos where they briefly talk about those products that they've bought on Amazon. They're most probably getting like on average 100,000 to 200,000 views per day, and this is most probably bringing a few $1,000s per day by promoting those kind of really amazing products. As you can see in the bio here, they have their Amazon link, Amazon affiliate link. This is how they're getting their commissions from. This is clearly something that anybody can do. Obviously it does take a little bit of work to do this, but anybody can just set up a social media account and start posting different products that they've bought online, especially on Amazon. There are other accounts out there who do exactly the same thing that she and her husband are doing, and this is really something that anybody can do if you want to try this as well. Now, if showing your face is a big issue for you, then I guess the next one on the list will be more appealing. And it's about this YouTube channel called New Gadgets, where they post videos about random Amazon products and gadgets that you didn't even know existed. This is very similar to the website thisiswhyimbroke.com, except that instead of articles you have videos of those different kinds of gadgets. A lot of those contents obviously are not exactly theirs. They are creating those content from other platforms, but they've been able to grow this channel to you can't see the amount of subscribers here, but based on the number of views that it is getting, it's clearly in the hundreds of thousands, if not millions of subscribers. They've only been around for just over a year, and this channel, as you can see here, is generating about 2.3 million views per day, about 70 million views per month, which is really insane. I mean, this amount of views, just imagine if just a small fraction of this is actually clicking on their link and buying their product. They would be making most probably a ton of money thanks to this YouTube channel. If we look inside of their description, you will see that they have their Amazon affiliate link in here, and that's how they are getting commissions for their videos. So this is definitely something that you could do if you don't want to show your face. You could definitely create a website like this and update, curate content, and maybe edit them and try to create a channel similar to this and start posting online. Eventually you won't have massive results overnight, but if you do this consistently, you could basically become similar to this channel. They've been doing this for just over a year, if I'm not mistaken, and they've already built their channel to so many monthly views and daily views. There you go, guys. I hope you've liked this video and you've learned so much from this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a like. I would really appreciate it. One of my other videos will pop up somewhere around here, and I highly recommend you to go and watch it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.